Sparrows were a symbol of hope and happiness for hundreds of years in the Chinese culture, but one dictator decided to end the species once and for all. In 1958, Mao Zedong, the leader of the People's Republic of China, decided that all the sparrows in the country were to be killed, along with other pests like mosquitoes, flies, and rats. Mao considered sparrows were deemed responsible for creating shortages in grains and fruits which the bird ate, so it seemed rational to him to kill them all. The Great Sparrow campaign was part of an even bigger program called the Great Leap Forward that aimed to transfer the country to a thriving socialist society through rapid industrialization and collectivization. Few people realized the consequence of disturbing the natural balance of the ecosystem, and even if they did, Mao wouldn't even listen to them. People used every possible way to kill the bird. They were shot from the sky, nests were destroyed, eggs were broken, and chicks were killed. Sparrows were caught in nets or trapped with baits. Those that flew away to the countryside were poisoned with tainted food and water. The most cruel way of killing them was driving them to exhaustion. People were told to come out in the open, banging pots and pans and create noise to terrorize the birds. The sparrows flew to the air in circles, too terrified to land, until they dropped dead from exhaustion. Contests were held to encourage people to participate in killing sparrows, and the larger the number, the bigger the reward. It became something of a sport, especially for the children. A Shanghai newspaper reported that 194,432 sparrows were killed on a single day. In 3 years, approximately 1 billion sparrows, 1.5 billion rats, 100 million kilograms of flies, and 11 million kilograms of mosquitoes were killed. But of course, this came with a great cost. The Great Sparrow campaign led to a great famine. Sparrows didn't only eat grains, they ate insects as well, and since they are gone, insects ate all crops, along with the ecological problems already caused by the Great Leap Forward campaign, including widespread deforestation and misuse of poisons and pesticides. People ran out of food to feed their families, and as a result, up to 45 million people died from starvation. Some estimates go as high as 78 million. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.